Just a Baby Bird by Mercer. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear beep, beep, beep. We find a baby bird, but where is the mama bird? We look. Dad helps. We do not find the mama bird. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We are so very careful, but the baby bird hops away. Dad pokes holes in a box. He carefully catches the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, says Dad. We look high in the trees. We look low in the bushes. We look everywhere. We do not find a nest, but Dad gets stuck in a tree. We make a little nest. If the mama bird is near, she will feed her baby. We hide and wait. The baby bird peeps and peeps, but no mama bird comes. The baby bird must be hungry. Mom searches online to find the right food. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. We make a bed for the baby bird in an old fish tank. He is safe. Dad puts a towel over the tank. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say, "Good night, baby bird." Day after day, the baby bird grows bigger and bigger. Our baby bird is so big. Dad says, "Baby bird is too big." I built a birdhouse. Maybe our bird will stay. We open the tank outside. Our baby bird flies away. Where will he go? I ask. Some birds fly south for the winter, says Mom. Maybe our bird will be back. Summer ends. Fall ends too. Winter comes. I always look for our bird. Spring is here. I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run to see. Our bird sits on the birdhouse. He is much bigger now. Look, I say, our bird has a family too. How cool is that? He was just a baby bird. Now he's grown up with a baby bird of his own. Going to the Sea Park by Mercer. Today my class goes to the sea park. It has so many fish. There are little fish. There are big fish. Some fish are pretty. Some fish are really ugly. We all go to the petting tank. I pet a horseshoe crab. That is weird. Timothy falls into the tank. He meets an octopus. He is not happy. I wish I could meet an octopus. Our teacher takes us to the lunchroom. They sell a swordfish burger on the menu. I want that. We go on a pretend pirate ship. I stare the ship. Bun Bun is scared. After lunch, we see the shark tank. I would not like to have lunch with a shark. We see baby whales eating fish. We see manatees eating plants. Next, we go to the seal show. I feed a fish to a seal. No one else wants to. We see Bazoo the orca. We sit in the front row. We get splashed with water. I am all wet. Everyone brings money from home to buy a gift. Gator buys a seal. Tiger gets a shark. I buy a fuzzy orca. What a great day we had at the sea park. Do you know what the best part was? Getting all wet.
Snowball Soup by Mercer. I am little critter. This is little sister. She is my little sister. That is dog. He is our dog. Wow, Look at all the snow. Dog likes snow. Little sister likes snow. I like snow too. We play in the snow. I dig in the snow. Little sister rolls in the snow. We make snowballs. We throw snowballs. Oops, sorry little sister. We make a snowman. We roll some big snowballs. 1, 2, 3. One snowball on the bottom. The next one goes on top. This one goes on the very top. Ta-da! Little sister puts on the hat. I put on the nose. Dog puts on the arms. Then we put on the eyes. Hello, snowman. Time for lunch, snowman. What does a snowman eat? Snowball soup. We make a pot of snowball soup. We give the snowman a spoon. Eat all your soup, snowman. We go inside. We eat soup for lunch too. Yum yum. Thank you, Mom. We go outside. Oh no, Dog is eating the snowball soup. Silly dog, snowball soup is not for dogs. That was for the snowman. Don't worry, snowman. Time to make more snowball soup. Yum yum.
The Fall Festival. It is fall. The leaves change colors. They turn yellow and red. We are driving in the car. We drive to the Fall Festival. Lots of critters are there. We bring a wagon to hold the things we buy. I see so many apples. I try one. Mom pays the man. Little sister has apple cider. She spills it. It is sticky. We go on a hay ride. There is not much hay. We ride through a field full of pumpkins. I watch a critter shoot pumpkins into the air. They go splat. It is fun to watch. We walk to the apple trees. I see critters picking apples. I get to pick apples too. Dad buys the apples that we pick. Mom will make many apple pie. Yum, I eat another apple. Mom says, no more apples. Next, we look for a Halloween pumpkin. Some pumpkins are too small. Some pumpkins are too funny looking. I find the perfect pumpkin. It is big. Mom finds the perfect pumpkin too. It is not so big. We play the horseshoe game. We each get 3 throws. We can win prizes. I go first. I aim. I throw. I fly. Whoops! I forgot to let go. Dad goes next. He wins every time. He wins a bunny for little sister and a bear for me. It is time to go home. Little sister pulls the wagon. I help her. Dad carries the pumpkin. Mom picks up the apples that we dropped. I think fall is great, but I ate too many apples. To the Rescue by Mercer. Dad goes to the basement. He has work to do. I am working too. I am working with my tools. I am tired of working. I hear my dad walking up the basement stairs. He calls me. He needs my help. The door is stuck. I will help. I twist and turn the doorknob. I can't open the door. I say, I will get keys. Keys will open the door. They are hanging in the hall. I climb up and get them. There are many keys. I try them all. Oops, one breaks off. Don't worry, Dad. I say. I will call 911. Stay there, I'll be right back. I dial 911 on the telephone. A very nice 911 lady answers the phone. I say, my dad is locked in the basement and can't get out. The 911 lady asks me my telephone number. I tell her. She asks what my address is. I know my address too. I tell her. I tell Dad that help is on the way. Suddenly, I am hungry. I go to the kitchen. I make a snack to eat until help arrives. Soon I hear sirens. First, the police car comes. Then the fire truck comes. I see Fireman Joe. We have to get my dad out of the basement. Follow me. I tell everyone. I will show them where to go. Fireman Joe tells Dad to stand back. Fireman Joe takes a big axe. He breaks down the door. Hooray! Dad is safe. Everyone helps take the broken door outside. The policemen say goodbye. The firemen say goodbye. Thank you and goodbye, I say. Dad says I am a hero. I just called 911. And the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. Bye-bye. Together again.